Welcome back to another day in the shop. Well, you know, we're working on the bag. It's all primed up. Just working out some of these things here that I don't like. The primer like pulled up a little bit. Some runs or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just lightly cleaning this up. That looks good. Just gotta wipe it down with a clean rag. I already cleaned it with the wax and grease remover. Do this, get it set up, hit it with a tack cloth, and then we're gonna start spraying. I'm hoping it doesn't fall off of this thing. Just let it sit for a little bit and get another coat. While that's drying, I made a mistake over here on this little run right here. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's there. I'm gonna have to hand sand that and fix it. Not a big deal, but it is a big deal. It's more work. So it's going to take a little bit to hand sand all this, get that run out of there. And it's a little bit more work in the sense that I could have gave this the other two coats while it was still wet, but now that it's dry, I got to sand the whole damn thing again. Just give it a light sanding, so it's a lot more work in the end. In the end, so I gotta work that out of there. Right now I am not wet sanding it. I'm just trying to get that large run out of there. Okay, that looks good. I'll take some 800 and I'm gonna wet sand it so the second coat will actually stick to it. So this is 800, so I'm being careful not to damage the paint. Because even though it's 800, you can go through the paint if you're not careful, especially on these corners here. And as you do this, you will feel that the paint is rough, orange peel, whatever you want to call it. But as you sand, you'll feel the difference. You'll even hear it. So once you get that all knocked down, you're good to go with the second coat. Unfortunately, with the spray can, this is something you have to do. If you want to get a good finish, you know what I mean? I got a run right there. I didn't see that before. Let me try to work that out. I'm going to work that out with 180. Being as careful as I can not to go to the paint. And that looks good. Back to the 800. I'm going to smooth that out. Yeah, I think that's going to be it, really. This is the inside of the bag. Not too worried about this side. And I'm not too worried about the bottom. To tell you the truth. Go ahead and put the flex coat on it. And then clear it. And the second coat is done. Nice and heavy. Just make sure there's no drips. You know, if you get a drip in the clear coat, you can always take care of it later on. Now you're probably wondering why I'm using the 2K Clear Glamour by Max. It's because this stuff is actually impervious to gasoline. So if you spill gasoline on your tank, it's not going to eat up this clear coat. This clear coat will be able to handle it. That clear coat you buy at like AutoZone, Walmart, stuff like that, that they say it's for cars and stuff. It will not withstand gasoline being dumped on it or spilt on it or whatever. If you get gasoline on that cheap clear coat stuff, it's gonna come up. It's gonna ruin the paint job. This is the only stuff I know that does a nice, really professional clear coat in a can. Is 2K Max. She's done, and it looks really nice. Booyah! And there she goes. Looks really, really good. Oh yeah, one more thing on this 2K. It's a two-part clear coat. You actually have to hit it. I think I've told you that in previous videos. Get that hardener mixed in there. Once you do that, put the date and time on this, because according to this, stuff's only good for 48 hours. Not bad for a backyard paint job. Costs more work. If I had a paint booth, it'd be so much easier. Guess I could just make one, huh? Out of PVC and plastic. Ah, screw it. Alright y'all, take care. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go take a shower and relax. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Yeah, I have a job. Alright.